Hey friends, I hope y'all are having a great day today. If you're new here, my name's Alicia, and today's video, I'm going to show y'all how I make a really simple and easy granola. So you will need 3 cups of oats, a 1/4 cup of oil, your favorite oil to use, and then 1/2 cup of syrup or honey of some kind. I'm using a homemade syrup, so it's a thinner syrup. However, if you use a thicker syrup, then it will come out more cluster-like, if that makes sense. Mine's very crumbly, and it's because of the syrup being so thin. And then you can also optionally add in some cinnamon. I've done it with the cinnamon and without, and then you bake it in the oven at 350 for 25 minutes. And you want to stir it halfway through cooking. If you're making 2 batches like I was, you also need to flip the trays halfway through whenever you go to stir it up. And 2 trays gave me 3 spaghetti jars packed full. You'll see here in just a second. See, they are like packed in full. So y'all may have noticed my new container in the beginning of the video with the oats. These were sent to me by Simply Cool Things to share with y'all if y'all are interested. They sent a coupon code that y'all can use for 10% off. I will leave these and the coupon code linked in the description box if y'all are interested in them. Alright guys, that was everything. I hope y'all have a great day today. Always remember that Jesus loves y'all and I love y'all too. And I will see y'all soon. Bye.